Today I'm going to be doing a basic oil change on my Tourage. This is a 2004 Volkswagen Tourage, which I am going to be servicing today. It's a V8 4.2 liter Tourage.
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, my life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if it's in your please come. My life be like leaving breadcrumbs so that I stray. Yeah, I'm sacrificing the price you pay.
So for me to have enough space underneath, yeah, I had to put these two blocks down here, but it still doesn't give me enough space. I don't want to break it stuff, so we are going to have to lift it up a little. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay. Don't know if you can notice that, but it is going up. So this should give me enough space there to remove the oil filter and yeah, basically drain the oil. See this cup? Huge. Same here. Awesome stuff here. So we're down here. First thing we need to do is loosen these 10mm bolts. It's supposed to have 10s here, here, and here, but I guess they removed so many bolts missing here. But then we've got that one there and another on the other side, so we have to loosen this and remove this whole cover so we can access the oil filter and the oil drain plug. So our first panel is out and you can see the oil filter here. It's inside here. What we're going to need to loosen this is a 36 socket. Should get that out. And then for the drain, the oil drain plug should be somewhere around here. It's right there. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So to get to the oil drain plug, we need to loosen this one right here so we can see it clearly on this side. Yeah. Finally got that out, and there's our oil drain plug. It's been abused. It has really been abused, so it's going to be hard to remove it, but then yeah, we shall try. So that's our drain plug and that's our oil filter right there. That's about it we need to do from down here. Yeah, so these are basically the tools that we're going to need to do the oil change and the oil filter change. My ratchet there, my 10mm Allen for the oil drain plug, the 36 socket for the oil filter, and this, whatever this is. So yep, let's start. So what I'm going to do now is okay, let's go down there. I'm going to loosen this 10mm here and here so I can have access to the drain plug. I already removed the cover that's here, which is this one here, so I can get access to my oil filter in there. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I've managed to loosen my 10mm there. We have this container here where the oil should be able to drop. So I'm just from driving this car, so this oil is pretty much hot. Hope I don't burn myself. Okay, wrong hole to move it. Okay, I think it's aligned now. Hope I don't get anything. Oh shit! Yeah. So this takes about 7 liters. That's 5 and it's full and it keeps going. Okay, I'm gonna stop everything. Yeah. There. So this V8 takes about 7 liters of oil, and then this is a 5 liters, and yeah, that should be 2. So yeah, our oil is out. Damn, was bad. Was really bad. Okay, and now this is oil filter we're unscrewing now. Yeah. There should be some oil coming out from here as well as soon as it's out. Yeah. Sorry for the blurry videos. I'm doing this alone. So there's the oil. Yeah. Still have oil coming out there. And here, let's just finish this off. There we go. Ooh, damn. Wasn't expecting that. Well, yeah. Okay, so this is our oil filter. It was gone. It was gone. Damn. Should have done this earlier. But yeah, so this is what we get. So we are using 5W40 for this particular oil change. My new seal is there, so before I put it there, I'll have to put some oil on this just to lubricate it so it fits perfect. Yeah. So we have the filter back in there. We also have the drain plug there tightened. So before we can put our oil in, you just wipe all the oil from there, make sure it's dry, and on this side too, so you can monitor any leakages after you refill your engine oil. So let's fill it up. Okay, so this is our 5 liters now, which is going to total up to 7 liters. I'm not going to make a video pouring this into that. We managed to complete the oil change and the oil filter change, and the engine runs smooth. In the next video, we are going to show you how to change the spark plugs and the air filters. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about wire recoveries. Keep liking. Why aren't you liking? Subscribe. here, subscribe. Cheers. Thank you.